Imagine sitting down after a long day, turning on your TV and instantly feeling a sense of calm. No lag, no delays, no confusion. Just a smooth, beautiful experience that pulls you in. That's what the Apple TV 4K 2025 aims to deliver. And today, we're going to dive deep into why this new model feels different, why it feels smarter, faster, more personal, and why it might quietly become the heart of your entire entertainment world without you even realizing it. The moment the screen lights up, you see the difference? Colors look richer and more vibrant. The contrast feels balanced. The brightness adapts perfectly to your room. It's not just 4K anymore. It's a level of cinematic depth that makes every scene feel alive. Whether you're watching a movie, a sports match, or even a regular YouTube video, everything looks cleaner and more realistic. This year, Apple pushed its processing engine even further, bringing better Dolby Vision handling, improved HDR performance, and more accurate color mapping. The shadows are clearer. Bright highlights glow without washing out the image. Skin tones look natural. Even older content looks refreshed, almost like it's been remastered for the future. Inside this device is a new chip designed to make everything feel effortless. Scrolling through menus feels like gliding on air. Apps open instantly. You click something and it just works. The lag that exists on cheap streaming boxes simply doesn't exist here. You don't see buffering wheels. You don't face delays. You never feel like you're waiting. Everything responds instantly, and that speed is addicting. Once you experience it, going back to anything slower feels impossible. One thing Apple truly mastered this year is how the device interacts with your environment. The Apple TV 4K 2025 adjusts brightness on the fly, balancing the picture so perfectly that you never need to touch a setting. Watching a movie late at night becomes more comfortable. Dark scenes become easier to see, and bright scenes don't blind your eyes. This adaptive picture system is one of those quiet improvements that you don't notice immediately. But once you get used to it, you can't live without it. Sound also plays a huge role in making entertainment feel premium. The 2025 model enhances sound clarity and depth. Dialogues sound cleaner and more focused. Background music fills the room. If you pair it with HomePods, the experience instantly becomes cinematic. If you're watching quietly at night, you can use AirPods to enjoy full spatial audio without disturbing anyone. The surround sound effect is so immersive that you feel like the audio is wrapping around you, even though you're technically wearing earbuds. But Apple didn't stop at entertainment. This year's Apple TV is also a powerful gaming machine. Apple Arcade titles load quickly and look sharper thanks to the upgraded GPU. You can connect PlayStation and Xbox controllers instantly, making gameplay smooth and fun. The animations feel fast. The graphics look clean. The overall gaming experience feels like a bonus layer on top of a device that already does so much. One of the biggest upgrades in the Apple TV 4K 2025 is its intelligence. This is the smartest Apple TV ever created. The new AI engine understands your habits, your preferences, and the kind of content you enjoy. If you say, "Show me something relaxing," it doesn't just display random options. It analyzes your mood, time of day, and previous choices to present truly fitting recommendations. If you were watching something the night before, it automatically opens the right app and resumes exactly where you left off. No searching, no browsing, no frustration. It feels like the system already knows what you want. The home screen becomes more personal too. Apps reorganize based on your behavior. If you use Netflix more in the evening, it moves closer. If you watch sports on weekends, the sports apps appear front and center. You never have to think about navigating. The device anticipates your usage. Patterns and quietly makes everything more convenient. Then comes the new remote. More comfortable, more precise. Better battery life. And finally, USB-C. The improved button layout feels more natural, and the sensitivity makes navigation smoother. And the best part? You can never lose it. Thanks to Find My integration, your iPhone can make the remote play a sound so you can locate it instantly. This tiny improvement solves one of the biggest everyday frustrations of owning any streaming device. Now, Let's talk about something most people overlook: smart home control. The Apple TV for K2025 is one of the strongest smart home hubs available today. It supports Matter, HomeKit, and faster device communication. Your lights, sensors, cameras, and smart devices connect more reliably. Automations run faster. You can create custom routines like movie night, which automatically dims your lights, lowers your blinds, and opens the streaming app of your choice. Or morning mode, which brightens your room, plays your news, and shows your schedule. Everything works smoothly because the Apple TV acts as the brain of your smart home. This blending of entertainment and smart home control is where the future is heading, and Apple seems to understand this deeply. The result is a device that not only entertains you, but also manages your home environment in a calm, seamless way. Another thing Apple emphasized this year is longevity. Apple TV devices are known for lasting many years without slowing down. You don't buy this device every year. It's a long-term entertainment investment. It's unlike cheaper devices that struggle after updates or lose app support. The Apple TV stays fast and reliable. It is built with enough power to handle future apps, future streaming technologies, and future updates without breaking a sweat. App compatibility is flawless. Whether it's Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, Prime Video, Max, YouTube, or Apple TV Plus, every app runs smoothly. Apple TV Plus content in particular looks stunning. It almost feels like the shows and movies were designed specifically for this device. Trailers open quickly, episodes load instantly, and everything looks extra crisp thanks to Apple's optimized processing. AirPlay also gets a major boost. Screen mirroring is faster. Videos play instantly, whether you're sharing photos, videos, or even a Mac desktop for work. AirPlay feels more stable and responsive than ever before. Wi-Fi 7 support makes the Apple TV 4K 2025 future-ready. Streaming becomes more stable. Gaming latency drops. Downloads feel instant. Even crowded networks at home are handled with ease. This level of wireless performance ensures that the device remains relevant for years. And of course, Apple keeps focusing on privacy. Your viewing history stays private. Your smart home data remains encrypted. Your voice interactions stay secure. In a world filled with tracking and data collection, Apple TV gives you a rare sense of confidence that your habits are not being sold or analyzed for advertising. Now comes the real question. With so many streaming boxes available, why choose the Apple TV for K2025? The answer isn't just in the features, it's in the experience. This device removes friction. It removes buffering. It removes confusion. It removes anything that interrupts your enjoyment. Instead, it gives you speed, clarity, comfort, intelligence, and reliability. Everything just works. Every time, and slowly without realizing it, this small box becomes part of your daily life. It becomes the thing you turn to when you want to relax. The device that brings your family together for movie nights. Tool that manages your smart home routines. The screen you escape into after a long day, it becomes a quiet companion that enhances your lifestyle in ways you never expected. The Apple TV for K2025 isn't loud or flashy. It's not trying to be the center of attention. It simply does everything so well that it doesn't need to try. It elevates every moment you spend in front of your TV. And once you use it, even for a week, you feel the difference in every detail. That is why people love it. That is why it stands out. That is why the Apple TV 4K 2025 might just be the most complete streaming and smart home device Apple has ever made.